Yung kay tapunan tangira Puyo amaria Arota kinti tangira Wata Hangina.
You make me feel so strong.
Enrique on the mic.
I feel so weak inside. You keep my feet up on the ground. You don't make me feel denied. Your personality is amazing, like God's creation of this earth. I have 6 words that I can describe you. You are so perfect from birth. You truly my type, you ain't toxic. And I'm sick of they just smell like magic. You are truly perfect. I love it. Well, baby, first let me stop by saying how nice you look. He's so fine 24/7. My heart it just took. Blown by your beauty, got me to this way. Yummy and delicious, not include vicious. Clean dishes, I'll do them for my missus. I'm many wishes, hugs and kisses. I got so many gifts, don't get me wrong, but everything of mine is yours. Yeah, we're making love like oh yeah, plus. Restart from the beginning, from where it all started. Get lost in the moment, ooh, I know you love it. Me plus you equals perfect match. You and I both is a perfect catch. Say it with me, I'm supposed to be by your side. Up in heaven, yeah. I'll take a bullet for you, cause enang kora tangira.
You skip the chorus, man. Second verse, check it.
I love it when you breathe, cause it shows that you're alive. I love it when you speak, cause it shows that you're polite. The way you turn and spin when you're dancing with the music. And when you pull me over and you say, baby, can we do it? You're like my face in the rain, cause you fell from the clouds. You keep my temperature cool whenever I feel like I'm about to melt. Fabulous lay next to me so I can hear your heartbeat. Nice and calm, body heat warm. Cause you're by my side at least. Cause you're a beast, can I have a taste please? Cover you up in chocolate magnum. You'll be a tease, your beauty release. You can be my beautiful and I'll be your handsome. By the way, you've got to mention you're a star. You're so different from all of them. No one can ever be as good as you. I'm right, you can even ask him. He be like, damn girl, you've been blessed. Yes you have. He's a lucky man to be holding your hand. We're both truly in love. You were sent from up above. Ieta ikarawa, kuroko itarawa, areme rawa rawa. You are the source of my light. You make me go bright, full power, my beautiful flower.